you don't even have one, just go here and clear it all. You should clear it because this not will work. Sorry, because this isn't the faster way, but you know. Okay, I need to clean this all. And then we will go to a website that is called Solid Presentation, and it's all free and online. And you don't have to install anything, and it's the easier, faster way. And they are so stylish presentation, and I don't know, but I love that place. But first, okay, we should go to Google. I'm gonna show you. We should go here and search for the presentation. Okay, is the website over here. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description of the video, and you can just click it and you can go right over here if you can find it. So these are so many presentations that are so cute, so pretty. I all love them personally. But you should choose one of them. Those that are right here are the most popular, but you can choose one of them. Like you can, I choose a random one. Like I choose these. Okay. But if you like, you can choose another one. There are so many. Okay, I'm gonna choose one of them. My personal presentation I choose right over here with. Because there's so much black and white color. Okay, I'm trying this. To go, you should click the button read more, and then you should end up here, and there are some of this, and you should copy, select and copy all of them, like I'm doing right now. So, okay. Now, I'm using a Mac, and the button copy doesn't work, so it's a bit hard. Now, before you go here, okay. So, now that you are here, you just need to click the save button. Before you do anything, click save, and then go back, just go back. Sorry, because I don't know. Okay. So, you can write a text over here, you can put a picture, and things like that. So, what you need to do is just clear the parts that you don't need anymore, like this over here, and the white space. Then, if you clear all those, okay, go over here, just clear them all. And then just go and you can write anything you want, like I will write my name over here.